Alright, we let the eyes set up good. So we're ready to install the mouth. Get the mouth hooked back up. See, we got this in here, that's all dried up. So we're going to work on the mouth now. You want to make sure you get your mouth correct. Sometimes you gotta sand a little bit off in here. You might have to sand some in here because the thickness of the paint might be just enough to make it catch, and you don't want it to catch on you. So we're going to start by tying our string. We got a 24-inch piece of nylon string we're using. So we'll tie that string on there, and then we're also going to put a staple in here to hold it so it doesn't come loose on us. And we're going to take our 3-inch spring here and attach it on here. Then I'm going to use some Johnson's paste wax. And we'll put some paste wax on here. This just helps it to slide better if it does tend to catch a little bit. So you might have to periodically put some more on it. So we'll put that there. Make sure we get some on the sides here. Put some up in here so the mouth doesn't stick. What you can do is periodically you just use a Q-tip on it. Squeeze a Q-tip in the side with some wax. That'll help to so you don't have to take the back off. Put some on here so it doesn't slides better. We're also going to put a little bit on our 1/2-inch dowel. Put some wax on this. This just helps the string to go up and over better. So we're going to test our mouth, make sure the mouth's working okay, that it's not doing any catching anywhere. This hooked up. So we got our 3-inch spring on there. Line this up. We'll screw the mouth back together. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. This is a very important part. You want to make sure this is all working properly before you seal it all up so you don't have to take it back apart and redo it. Just make sure it's working okay. Yeah, it's got good tension on there. Wax just helps it from catching. So now we'll check our string, make sure the tension and everything's still okay. Test. Yep, that's working fine. So we got that back in there. So now we'll take our 1-inch ring here. We're going to tie our ring on. And I always leave this string long, so when you get it, you can adjust it to where you want it to be. Cut it off then if you want, or just leave it long. I just like to leave it long on there so it's adjustable. And the ring works good for either hand, your finger or your thumb. So we got this all together, it's working good. So now we can put the back on and then we can move on to the wig. Thanks for watching.